Time management, time is a precious. We have to utilize our time. Time is very precious. As a thought says, we have to take care of minutes. Half will take care of you. We have to use our time properly, and what the time is very precious, and what time is given, then proper time, we have to take proper time, and we have to do every work in given time. Time is very important in our life. How we can save time, and how we can use the right place by time management, we can learn the time is very precious. Once the time is passed, it will never come again. So we have to utilize the time properly. Time is very, very important in everyone's life, and each second will important to everybody, and depending upon the time, our future will be decided. Everybody used to get 24 hours only. Dividing the 24 hours in different ways to do different things in life is time management. Finishing our work within a time is called time management. In time, we have to complete that work, given work. Is called time management. Time, it can do some work. It has some time management. Time is very important in our life. It's managing the time, and time is very precious in our life. We will utilize the time. We have to complete the work in certain time is time management. Time management is nothing but managing of time. It's one of the talent of an individual. Being punctual and managing time, any individual can achieve whatever he wants. Time is a very precious thing in everybody's life. So we do not waste a very single minute of our life.
Time is a very precious, and every second is very important in our education life, and also
scheduling our works according to the time, that how much time we require for a particular work, if whether we complete that work on a time or not, if any extent required for that work to complete, if any extra time we required to complete that work.
Time is very important to us. Time, we have to reserve a particular time to the particular task. Within that time, we have to finish that one. Time management is a special skill in which we will have the time to.
time management is nothing but managing the time to do our work within the time to save it. Time is very precious in everyone's life. It is very precious.
Time management is how we utilize our daily time in daily life. To manage the time in well way, we have to decide which task we have to give importance.
One of you said we should make the list of the work what we are intent to do, and then give a preferential order which work has to be done first, the next one, like that, preferential order, and also record what has been done in your diary or somewhere in your notebook. Record how much has been done, what is remaining. To complete the remaining work, what has to be done, whether money is involved, whether persons are involved, whether only my effort is involved. So like that, if you analyze properly and record it, and review what we have done at the end of the day, and you can evaluate yourself, how efficient you are, whether you could be able to do the targeted task in a limited framework or not? And what are your drawbacks? How to overcome your drawbacks? Is it not? Because everybody has got some deficiency. And how to overcome that? And so like that, you should think yourself and find out the solutions. Because we are not ignorant people. We know why we could not able to do it. The answer we know. And try to rectify yourself. So you rectify yourself so that that will rectify your personality to a finer one. You will become still finer person, so that your goal will be achieved in a limited, defined framework. That is very important.
ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆದಂತ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ 8 o'clock ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನೈಟ್ 8 o'clock ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಫಿಗೆ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟಿಫನ್ಗೆ 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕು, ಕಾಫಿಗೆ 5 or ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 10 o'clock. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಲಂಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ 1/2 hour ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟೀ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು 10 or 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮಗೆ 1 ವಾರಗಳ ಕಾಲ